Hello everyone, my name is Sander. Like Cindy already said, CEO and co-founder of Giftomatic. Giftomatic is not an incentive or loyalty program, we're more a tech company. We're founded in 2019, so we're quite young. We're from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. We already work with quite a nice selection of partners. What we do is we develop white label tools that incentive and loyalty programs actually can implement on their platform. And since the start, we've served over 2.5 million users. This may be an old number. And we've generated over $70 million of revenue for retailers. And it's our goal to become a standard in the industry. And as you can see on the map on the top, we are active in quite a lot of countries. The two showcases that I'm going to talk about today are from Ovation Incentives. They're based in the United Kingdom. They work in over 120 countries, including the United States. And Amilon, who recently also joined, they're from Italy. Before I start going into what we did exactly with them, we learned about a couple of trends when we were talking with our partners. One is very obvious, that's the rise and the growth of the digital gift cards, which is great for us because we help our partners with our tools to make the online journey for the end user easier. And the other one is that the average commission seems to go down a little bit. And I'm mainly talking about gift cards here, not necessarily the merchandise business, because we don't do much with the merchandise companies. So with this in mind, we always define a couple of objectives when we start a partnership. First one is to increase the margin they make on the gift cards. Second one is to give them more control on which gift card the end user actually chooses. And the third one is to generate more insightful data on the spend behavior. So when we look at the shopping journey for the end user, they receive an email or they receive communication and they go to the platform. They see the catalog of gift cards and, well, there are so many choices. They don't immediately know what to choose. So what often happens is, I don't know what to choose. Well, let's do Amazon because I will shop there anytime, anyhow. What we also see is that users actually start going online for inspiration. So they type in some products on Google Shopping, or they go to price comparison sites. Instagram shopping is increasingly popular at the moment. But what you don't know probably is that these platforms are also monetizing the user behavior. And of course, these are large companies, they make a lot of money, which is fine. But we try to help our partners to keep the end user on their platform by offering a search engine that actually shows the products from all the gift cards they offer in their catalog. So it's a little bit like a Google Shopping, but then on your platform, fully branded. And it's not needed anymore for the end user to go to all the other platforms. Plus, we generate an additional commission. So the two main tools we provide to them is a search engine, like I already said, which is quite easy to implement because it's an embed code, similar to embedding a YouTube video. It contains millions of products because, well, if you work with Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, Macy's, of course, their product range is quite large. And another tool we offer is our recommendation snippet, which can be implemented anywhere. It can be implemented in an email. It can be implemented on any web page, just to show the most popular and best converting products. So how does the commercial model work? We are very experienced in affiliate marketing. Does anyone know what affiliate marketing is? How that works? It's actually quite simple concept. You let an end user click on a product or on a link, special link that we provide. And in case they make a purchase on the retailer's website, we receive a commission. So this is a selection of our partners in the United States. And what we do with our partners, we do a rev share, which means on top of the gift card commissions you receive, you get an additional commission. These percentages are actually calculated over the entire order value, so not only the gift card value that is redeemed. And like I already said, a part of that is shared with our end user, or not with our end user, with our partner. So some of the results, these are actually not the results of our partners Ovation and Amilon, because it's kind of confidential, plus they started this year. So we just looked at the overall performance we did since the start of our company. What we see on a global level, actually, that when we look at the catalogs, it works for 40 to 75% of the gift cards from the catalog. Usually restaurants are not active in affiliate marketing. And we've managed to, on average, generate almost $3.50 per online redemption on additional revenue. So think about the volumes you're having in your program. And if a part of that generates the additional commission, that can be quite significant. We also give more control on which gift card, which gift card is chosen by the end user, because if you use the search engine and you search for a backpack or for AirPods, and you don't want all the users to shop at Amazon, because Amazon many times doesn't have the highest commissions, then we can help you boosting the products from other retailers that bring you a higher commission. So what we've seen is a 9 to 17% increase in high margin gift card sales. And what's also good is that the retailers who we work with, they reported to us that we bring in quite a significant amount of new users that never shopped at that web shop before. And those users are the most valuable ones. Last but not least, we can also share very interesting data on the spend behavior. For example, the average order value per retailer. So you know what the overspend is, for example. And also, the users are typing in their search terms, are clicking on the most popular categories. We aggregate that and share that with our partners, so you get a better feeling and understanding of what the interests are of the end users. So the main takeaways, keeping the users on your platform gives you new monetization opportunities. You can drive more end users to high margin gift cards in a very friendly way. And the data and insights help you in optimizing your gift card catalog.
Sandra, thank you. Do you mind going back just 2 slides for me? Ask a clarifying question. There you go, right there.
This one?
Yes. That data is for your partner.
Our partner, yes.
Yes.
And we keep it confidential, okay. Obviously. It's not shared with
Understood.
the rest.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Thank you. So a theme that Julie started with, that Kurt will have in his presentation as well, and that you hit on, is the importance of technology and integration to be able to enable these features. Do you want to talk a little bit more about the need for that integration and any how easy it might be to work with you?
Yeah. To work with us is very simple because our tools are built in a way that you just need a snippet code, like embedding a YouTube video. Mm-hmm. You put it on a page and it already works. We take care of the content, the styling, so it matches well with the styling of the platform. But if you go global to other countries, you have some challenges. Of course, language is a thing. Local currencies. Then in Europe, for example, there are payment restrictions for certain gift cards, which has to do with KYC regulations. There are also different privacy laws in different areas in the world. We have the GDPR. In Australia, there's a different law around privacy. Same for the United States, of course. And it also affects the way your technology works. And as far as I've seen in the industry, almost everyone is having a lack of capacity in their IT team. So that's the easier you make it, the better, and the faster you're implemented. Yeah.
Understood. Anybody have any questions for Sander? Going once? All right. Thank you, Sander, very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.